bits. The motor show organisers.
I ain't thinking that. I want my grand.
I know. I asked her, she was like, I asked her before the show got cancelled. She's like, let me see what we're going to do. Exactly what I said. Yeah. We went on the show. Take it down. Well, I couldn't it's a good next week, sorry.
Today I'm on my second day in Geneva, just checking out, obviously the show is not on, so we're just checking out some of the local dealers, and we've stumbled across this Carugati Automobiles, which is one of the most incredible supercar dealers I've ever come across, inside Geneva. Got all sorts of supercars and hypercars inside, so I'm just going to show you around, give you a little tour. Starting off with this 488 Pista. Got an immaculate F40, F12 TDF. There's just supercars everywhere you look. Got this yellow, almost Ferrari yellow coloured Pagani Huayra Roadster. Very similar colour to this 16M here. It's another very rare car, one of 499 in the world. But look at this, absolutely insane. Yellow matching brakes, polished wheels, and then a red Huayra Roadster behind. Also looks to be a Ferrari colour, very similar to Rosso Corsa. I believe these two cars were owned by the same person, because they're matching chassis numbers one after the other. But look at that, guys. AMG V12, of course, powering the beast. 812 super fast. I'll show you around there in a second. But yeah, absolutely incredible lineup. Here we go then, Ferrari 288 GTO, the first of the F cars. Seminal car for Ferrari, turbocharged. Originally intended for Group B. Rallying, but obviously never got that far. A little Corvette Z06, I believe. This gets even more special back here, guys, because we've got this paint to sample GT2 RS in green. Absolutely incredible colour. I think this is probably my pick of the cars in here. Carbon fibre wing mirrors, green roll cage as well. I don't know how well you can see that. And these tartan seats, which are just incredible. What a spec. I think this is the best GT2 RS I've seen. Number 68 out of 500. We've got a 991 GT2 RS here. YSAC package, of course, with the carbon bonnet. But I think I prefer this 997, to be honest with you. What a car, what a colour. There's also a 997 RS 4 litre. So many cool cars in here, guys. Look at all the satin carbon fibre on this. It must be very, very rare. Here we've got a 675 LT Spider. I believe this one is amethyst black. You can't really tell in here, but there's some sparkle in the paint. And when you get outside, it almost looks purple. Really clean interior combo. Of course, again, satin carbon fibre. Seems to be a theme here. There are a few other cool cars in the back, but honestly, there's just so many cars to look at. And there's also this secret room to the left, which we might be able to have a little look around in a second. But how cool is this drop head? Don't know how that even fit in the showroom, to be honest. I've also got a Porsche 959, which is ultra rare. Red on red is a really cool colour combo. Red seats inside as well. Really is something for everyone at this dealership. This did 197 miles an hour in the late 1980s, which was an incredible feat. Obviously turbocharged, hence the intake here, as you see on a lot of turbo Porsches. We've also got this very cool Huayra Roadster model, which must have come with the red car. Obviously signed by Horatio as well. How cool is that? But yeah, I'm just going to see if we're able to have a look in this little secret room as well, because there are a few more cool cars inside there that I want to show you. So having looked around the main dealership, we've now been invited to this secret part behind the dealership, the secret room, which is very interesting. I'm sort of very excited to see what's hidden behind closed doors here. Got this 550 Maranello to start. Really nice grey over red combination, and all important manual gearbox, gated manual gearbox. A couple of Rolls Royces, Bentleys, even a TVR Tamora, I believe, or Griffith. Got a Ferrari 400i, really cool colour, and another one. We've got a really cool Mini Cooper S. Love the colour on that. All sorts of Ferraris as we walk through here. 360, 308, even a 365 Daytona. A couple of cool 911s, in fact lots of 911s through here. So 2.4. Got a Ferrari 250 Lusso, which is probably the most valuable car in this section of the showroom. Got a couple of BBs. I think it's either a 512 or a 365 BB. And then again over there, got a Lola race car on the end. Ferrari 330, 550. Lovely, almost midnight blue 911 turbo, 993 generation. Lovely, lovely colour on that. Yeah, it's just a treasure trove inside here. All sorts of cars. God, I don't know if you can see through here. It's really wedged in, but we've got this 964 turbo 3.6 as well, which is a really rare beast. And fitted with some of my favourite wheels ever. You can barely see them though, unfortunately. Another BB just under here. Very cool BMW, this is 3-litre CS. Lamborghini, this is one of the first Lamborghinis ever built. That's the 350 GT. Daimler Dart. Over here though is my favourite car. Of course we've got a few Dinos too. It's a 993 GT race car, GT2 race car. Very, very cool. Give you a better look, just here, it's got these yellow headlights as well. Wow.
Directly back